Hey YouTube, Santa Frank here today. Going to be opening up another hobby box of Star Wars Black and White Empire Strikes Back. You get one autograph or sketch card guaranteed per box. And there's the odds there if you want to see them. Alright, let's see what we get in this box. Well, the Chewie and Leia there, 16 out of 99. They did do the numbered parallels, very nice, very easy to tell which ones are the green versus the blue and so on. They're kind of hard to tell in A New Hope black and white. It's a cool picture there. It's a blue, see the blue parallel, very distinct blue. You can get Carrie Fisher autographs in this, which would be amazing. And also you can get Harrison Ford autos in this. So there's some big autos that you can possibly pull out of this product. That's a very cool shot there, the sepia. There's a Bossk iconic character. I think I have a Bossk, maybe not. It's a poster card. Upside down Luke. Lobot with C-3PO. Green parallel of Snowtroopers, 85 out of 99. Luke, Lando, Vader. Alright, the hit is in this last pack. Let's get something good here. You can tell the sketches because they are white around the edge. The backwards cards are autographs. So we got Sepia Lando, behind the scenes. Okay, so let's see what we got for an auto. Oh, there we go. John Morton as Dak Ralter. Actually have one of these, so I can use this one to trade for one of the ones I don't have. Nice looking auto, went a little bit off the sticker there, but very tough to tell. Alright, there's the back. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.